Jess, how you doing?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Good, good. So you found our driving school
I did, yes.
and you booked in because you wanted to pass your driving test.
Yes, that I did.
Okay. So what was happening before you got here?
I had like 10 lessons previously and didn't really A, feel comfortable, but also B, I didn't really feel like I learnt probably what I was meant to learn. And I feel like I was just banging my head against the wall and I didn't know how to improve.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's with 10 lessons.
Yeah.
With a quite a highly known driving
Yes.
group.
Yes, okay.
And then you came here and you did one of the Board Express sessions with us.
Yeah.
And what was the main difference that you noticed straight away?
Really clear direction. I would say that was probably the highlight, was clear direction and also encouragement.
Uh-huh.
And just general feeling of support, which doesn't usually happen in the other lessons.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're just chilling out money after money after money.
Yeah.
Virtually hopping on the spot, not getting
Yeah,
anywhere.
that's why I came here.
And guess what? Hey, you done it. You done it.
Yeah.
That's why you came here.
That is, yeah.
Because you were sick of wasting money.
I was, yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
You know what? You've been a great student.
Thank you so much.
It was really a joy
Cheers.
to really go through everything and just nail it for you. And
I
just
really
get all
appreciate
right.
it too. Thank you.
And an outstanding score too by the examiner.
You.
Fantastic. Well done, Jess.
Thank you, Carmen. Cheers.
We wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing us. Bye.
See ya.
Bye.